Hi, this is PR Sundar and I gave Reliance as a long-term investment recommendation. In fact, so far that was the only stock I gave recommendation and I also took the position, but instead of buying it in the cash market, I bought it in the future market. I've already posted a video explaining buying in cash market versus future market. What are the advantages and disadvantages? If you have not seen that, you can go and watch here. I have taken 2 lots long position, about 1000 shares, around 1400, and today the date is 3rd of August, and today Reliance closed around 2000, so it was about 600 point higher and I should have made 6 lakh rupees profit. But I always do the hedging through options. The process of hedging is to maximize the profit when there is a profit, to minimize the loss when there is a loss. Had I bought it in the cash market, had I continued, I would have made 6 lakh rupees profit. But now let us go here, let us check how much profit I have made. And the time duration is about 3 months. So this is the company account, Manson Consultancy, where I am trading this Reliance. I am going to reports and global P&L report and equity, derivative and everything. Option price, closing price, yes. So this is the total trades I have taken. I will be downloading this into Excel file, and I open the Excel file and delete all the unwanted rows. And here all these are Bajaj Finance, Bank Nifty, everything I delete except the Reliance. So until here it's other stocks. So from here onwards it is State Bank of India and other stocks. We delete everything. And again these headers also we delete. Okay. So this is the profit and loss. And you can see the total profit is 13,12,173. Had I bought it in the cash market, had I continued from 1400 to 2000, I would have made about 6 lakh rupees profit. But here I made more than 13 lakh rupees profit. In fact, this month, that is in the month of July, Reliance has moved from 1700 to 2200. It was a huge spike and I had to do more trades, and at some point of time there was not enough margin in this account. So what I did, some of the hedging positions I took in my son's company account and I posted there around 8 lakh rupees plus profit in Reliance trade. So that was explained in that video. If you have not watched that video, you can watch the video here, and how I made 35 lakh rupees profit in July trade. So in that 8 lakh rupees plus has come in Reliance trade. So if you add that Reliance trade along with this Reliance trade, my total profit is around 21 lakhs to 22 lakhs. So bought in the cash market, kept it, I would have made 6 lakh rupees profit. But along with the dynamic hedging, I have made more than 21 lakh rupees profit. So this is the power of hedging. I know many people who have lot of shares, but they never believe in hedging. They are just happy with whatever profit they are getting through the cash market. But here I have shown you the power of hedging, where I made almost more than 3 times profit through the hedging. Let us look here what we have done. I am going to show only the July trades. So in July trades, there was a total profit of about 12 lakh rupees. I think the almost entire profit made in July series. What I did in the beginning, I had the future position, then I sold 1800 call option, 1900 call option and 2000 call option, because I thought market may not go above 1900. 1800 anyway we have a future position, so that will take care of the 1800 call option. 1900, 2000 extra sold, but market shot up And at some point of time, the 2000 call option I squared up and shifted the position to 2040 and 2100 call option. And then 2180 was the highest strike price. I thought it will not go above this, and therefore I sold that also. But what happened? Market shot up, and therefore I started selling put options. Initially, I bought 1700 put option and then sold 1680, 1640, 1600, 1500, 1400 put options. But actually there I made some losses only. The 1700 put option bought, I lost more than 1 lakh rupees and made some small profit in others. On a net basis, I made a 12,000 rupees loss only. But then once I understood market is moving aggressively higher, and I sold 1900, 2000, 2100, 2200 put options and very aggressively, and that is how I just managed. And here you can see I made almost 12.66 lakh rupees profit only by selling the put options. Not only this, I took some position in August series also. So in the August series, there was a profit of 84,000. So put together, overall, I have made about 13.12 lakh profit, and taking 8 lakh plus profit in my son's company account, the total profit was about 21 to 2 lakh rupees profit. So many people think you have to trade too much to make profit. But here I traded only 2 lots, but that 2 lots, while firefighting, it led me to trade more and more. And in fact, I had to pump in a lot of additional margin money. Probably I have not calculated exactly, but probably I would have brought in additional 40 to 50 lakh rupees margin money for firefighting. But even by taking the 40 to 50 lakh additional margin money, the 21.5 lakh, 21 to 22 lakh rupees profit is really something very big. So I must say thanks to Mr. Mukesh Ambani for making me also rich. And thank you for watching.